In today's video, we're going to take a look at this inflatable paddleboard that comes with its own storage bag. It's got its own pump, as well as this adjustable paddle. It's got a repair kit and a fin for easy steering. Stay tuned for this whole video. So it weighs 24.5 pounds. Then you take this and then you clasp it, so it's an easier trick. There you go, and it's basically like a big giant backpack. So this is what it looks like when it's all folded up. You have your pump. Okay, let me take the pump out. So a lot of air coming through. Then you've got your paddle. Comes in 3 pieces, right? It's adjustable to 175 centimeter, 85, 90, 95, 200, 205, 210, 217. I'm about here, so I should be good. So even if you're 7.5 feet tall, this would be great for you. Bolts, so you take this, and there's a ridge. And then you take the other one, you press this, that locks in, that locks in, you put this down, click, and there you go, there's your paddle. It's made of light aluminum, and then the fin is made of plastic. Next is your actual paddle boat. This is designed for an adult up to 300 pounds. Here's your fin. You use a fin to steer a little better underwater, so you attach it at the bottom right over here. Here's where you attach it, and this is like a flexible rubber. It comes with a repair kit. If for whatever reason you do get a little tear in this, you can always repair it. And then ankle attachment, so if you fall off, well, that's not gonna swim away from you. And then this clips on here, only one way, so that way when I'm pumping, you can actually go pretty quickly. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's still gonna take you about 5 minutes, but it's actually pretty easy with this pump. As you can see, we are on 24 psi. There's no air leaking out unless you press this little dongle. So we're gonna go and close this off. So you got some storage on the front, and you have some storage on the back. This is for obviously your waterproof backpack. And according to the specs, it is made from military grade material. It's got a reinforced, very lightweight fabric. I mean, the board only weighs 17 pounds, yet it's stiff and rigid and very sturdy when you blow it up. It actually does feel like an actual fiberglass board. The deck pad itself is pretty smooth and comfortable to stand on. And if you're kneeling down, it does have additional padding, making it comfortable for your knees. I'll show you how to drain it. So the air doesn't come out unless you press this. The fastest way to fold this up is to start on the end that does not have the air port, and then just start folding, because once you press that, the air will constantly be removed as you're folding it. And then you just roll it up, and then this is going to start releasing the air as you're folding it. See? Very quickly. And then you just put this in a bag along with everything else. So at the end of the day, this is a pretty nice paddleboard, very easy to transport. You can use it for fishing, yoga. It can support 2 people. You can use it for surfing as well, or carrying kids, or even pets in saltwater and regular lake water. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.